Hello, welcome. If you're new to the channel, I'm SK. This is Sean.
Sean, yeah.
Yeah, we just like,
This is like the slowest video
so
find.
slow. Watch here. Oh my gosh, this is cute, guys. This is the elevator. Oh wow, this is a glass. This is dangerous. Oh, we push. Oh, watch out. Wow. Oh, Sean, is a kids section up here as well. It was only one more floor, right?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm here in River Island. I didn't start the vlog on the way here because oh my gosh, Sean, look at River. Oh my god, look at this cute little jacket, Sean. Sean. Yeah, this is so cute. But I think this is probably the girl section, but this is still cute. Oh my gosh, look at me go crazy for reviving here. As usual, copyright music up in here, you know. I'm actually in River Island. Sean wanted to come and pick up a few stuff. This is cute. I like this color. Yeah, I did not know that they had a whole section upstairs. Every time I come here, I assume that downstairs is it. Sean, I'm coming. Just looking at these jackets.
Tell me these aren't sick.
Wow, yes. These are very nice. I like them. I like those cream ones too, babe. All of these shoes are nice.
The orange pops, man. The orange.
Very. Let me
pops.
try on one.
The orange pops.
They feel very comfortable. So cute. Sean, they're very nice and they feel very nice.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh god. These are different. You like them? But they're very thin though inside, I think. Or no, is it thin? Yeah, I like these. But they're cute. Size 5, size 6. No shiny ones, nah. What else they have? Oh, Sean, they have this color. So be getting them, yeah? Oh gosh. Can I even walk in these? I cannot walk in these. Yeah, if I walk in these, I need somebody to shoulder to hold. Oh, you know, I need an everyday bag. This is nice. I like suede. This one's smaller, Sean. It's nice. I got suede. Let me see if I would I like this. It's nice.
I like it.
Simple, but you know, it's not loud. Oh, you want me to show you all the bags? I wouldn't buy this because it has like River Island mark, big and bold on it. Oh, this is nice too. The chain on it. But it's not so loud. Sean, isn't this nice? It's cute.
Oh, it is cute.
I love this. Let me see how it looks. But yeah, today I could have been wearing this for myself. Watch me. Right? Yeah. And because it comes with like a nice little, it comes with this little pouch. And look, what I like about it, it's like a little pocket book on the side, you know? Come with a little pocket. Yeah, I like it. My baby's here, yeah, but he's fast asleep. I don't know why I like this bag. Let me show y'all. Tell me this bag ain't cute, y'all. You know I said I don't like load bags, but look here. Oh, this is mad cute. This is a man section. Sean, I can't see you wearing these type of jackets, see? Sean dressed like a real Briton. I don't want to see you rocking stuff like this in a Sean. Look. Look at me like, that's not gonna happen. You think my dancing improved for 2023? Stop it. We're all done with River Island and we're just here in Clark's. I was looking at these. I like these. 120 pounds for them. What size is this? Not the size. What's the size? Oh, this is US 6.5. These cute and they feel strong, feel very thick because like I'm a UK 7 but I feel like there's not like a lot of options. Like this is it. It got like 7.5. Like it's not a lot. Like this is it. I like that. Yeah, I like. Yeah, I actually like these. I like these too, babe. Nice though. When you hear about clocks, I was just telling them, you know, when you hear about clocks, the only thing like back in Jamaica, everybody talking about clocks is like these type of thing. Like I had no idea. Like you can find literally any type of shoes in here, sneakers, this, boots, everything, you know. But I didn't know that, you know. My mom is always telling me she want a pair of clocks, buy a clocks. I'm not like, what's up with clocks? Like, okay, it's just like shoes, but you know, I didn't know they used to sell all sorts of stuff until I moved to England. I know. Look at these. Oh, Sean, I like these. These nice. You like these? These nice. These for 130. These are actually cute. I love these. Kind of similar to like shoes that I'm wearing now, you see? Similar to what I'm wearing now. But yeah, these they feel nice. And they have the black one over here. But I think this one cuter, the material different too, like suede. And these nice too, good for the winter. How much for these ones? So there's no price on these ones. But probably around the same thing, 130-ish. Let me see. Yeah, they don't have the price on all, but so far I'm seeing like 130. Let me go back for Sean. Because Sean is the one. Sean is on a mission. Yeah, so I'll come back to you guys, help him, assist him, give him a little input. So I'll be back. Yeah, we waiting on the oh, here it is. Just waiting on the lady to come back, so she's back with the shoes now. Yeah, so I was waiting for her to come back, but I saw ShéKayla's shoes. ShéKayla normally ShéKayla been wearing the same shoes for years. We just keep buying it every year. So it's like this. These ones, they're for 70. So you see, they're really strong. They're really good shoes. So I always buy these ones for school. They give her a little heel, so she got a little, you know. Yeah. And I was looking at these too. They're quite nice because look inside. Yeah, feel nice. Yeah, and they got handbags over there. Yeah, see, want us to go by Wendy? Want us to try Wendy's?
That I like, you know.
I don't think I've ever been to Wendy's. I know like we take ShéKayla there because she loves Wendy's. We want to get something to eat quickly because we're actually like, we have to go get ShéKayla in like half an hour. This is what we got from in River Island, so this is the bag I'm holding. When it is back that way.
How far is it? But we don't have time, that's the thing.
What time now?
Don't take time to walk back to the car. Right?
It's like round which part? You see where the bus is? Round there, so.
We buy something.
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, so we're gonna head. We don't have time for Wendy's. We should have probably come earlier. Hey people. No. So it's actually a few days later, you know, we went to Reading and we're just shopping around for some stuff. So as you can see, oh, a lot of water here for sure. We're at the airport and yeah, so we're at the airport. As you can see, Sean just took out his suitcases out of the car because Sean is going back to Florida. So let me go back by Sean. So yeah, we are separating yet again. Oh, okay, so much brighter. Yeah.
It's cool. It's chilly.
Cool. Yeah. Yeah, so here he is. Where are you going, sir? You cold. Sean cold. Yeah, so he's going back to the States and let's get River out. Oh, River's up. Oh, he's up. I was telling him like, oh my gosh, I feel sad already. Like, because you know Sean's been here for a while, so I feel like we're going back to, you know, sad airport goodbyes. Yeah. ShéKayla is not here because she's at school. So yes, she's not here. I see one of y'all asked for ShéKayla the other day. I was like, yeah, I know. Sometimes she's missing in the vlogs because a lot of the times, sometimes out and about, it's easier to do it like during the week as well. And she's at school, you know, weekends are much like busier and that. So yeah, she's not here. But yeah, we're gonna go get Sean checked in. I believe his flight is appears to be delayed, but we're gonna go check in and just see what information we have and what time they're looking at departing and stuff like that. So, oh, by the way, today River is 7 months old. Yeah, made it to 7 months today. 7 months. Oh my gosh, time is just flying, y'all, honestly. Yeah, y'all could hear how I sound. I have a bad cold. I haven't been well, you know, y'all. So vlogging was like, I was not vlogging. Didn't vlog much. Haven't been vlogging much at all because it's like River been ill. No me. I'm gonna go in the lift now. So hold on. Terminal 3. Oh, we still gotta catch another lift, huh? We need to get another lift down to departure. So another lift again. That's so weird. Please breathe, baby. You're so quiet. Hey, which one open? Can you open? Next lift is, where's that blinking? Oh, here. Check in. Well, we need to look for AA, really. Yeah, we need to look for AA. Round and round and round. It's not that busy at all. We're like walking straight up. And we're next to check in. So yeah. So we all checked in. I said we are, like I'm traveling. I'm not traveling. But Sean is all checked in. He's just there. And yeah, the flight is delayed by about 5 hours, ain't it, Sean?
Yeah.
Well, more than 5. Is it 5 hours? 4 hours. The flight is delayed by about 4 hours. So the perks of not living too far away from the airport is that we get to leave. We get to leave. So we're gonna leave and just keep track of the flight. Sean keeps keep checking. Oh, we need to pay now. Sean keep checking it. Oh, we need to go down again to level 20, but we could pay here. We gotta pay for the parking. So yeah, Sean is gonna keep an eye on that just to make sure, because you know things could change. You could say 4 hours delayed, and then next thing you know, it leaving in 2 hours. So we're gonna do that. 1 second, I need to pay for the parking. So much.
What was that?
Bombarous.
What was that?
Whoa. Sons of 12.70 between 45 and 59 minutes. That's extortionate. Let me show y'all. Look at that. Those are the fees. We haven't even been here that long. I cannot believe that we got to pay all of this. This is really disgusting, honestly. The last time I remember paying £5 when I pick you up, Sean, it was 5 something. That's crazy. So yeah, this is how the price look like to drop off somebody. Wow. Yeah, the parking at the airport is extortionate, isn't it? Jeez. So that's what I was showing you guys before I cut it off, and then I was so many people came, so I was let me just shut this camera off. So we just pulled up at home because, as we explained, Sean's flight is delayed by 4 hours, so we're just gonna chill home for a bit. We're gonna go and pick up ShéKayla from school probably in an hour. Yeah, probably in an hour. She's gonna be surprised to see Sean, actually, because she already said goodbye to him this morning before school. So she's gonna be like, did y'all prank me? I knew he wasn't going. Yeah, so we're gonna pick up ShéKayla from school, and then the plan is to just drop Sean off. I don't know if I'm gonna stay or Sean is just
gonna go because he's already checked in, so it's just really for him to jump out of the car and go up to security and all of that and just wait to board the flight. He's here.
Yeah, what's up?
You didn't miss me.
Of course.
You look handsome.
What's this?
I don't know. I feel like I always do you that. No, no. Actually, I don't. It's like, oh, I don't know why. You realize I do that to you all the time?
Yeah.
I don't know why. It feels nice when I do it, though. Like, look at it. You don't like it?
It's alright, but it just...
It feels weird. Like,
yeah.
I always do. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm gonna miss my husband, y'all. You know how it is. Even though he's not gone like for good, and we don't know when we gonna see each other again, it's still a bit, you know, still sad because I don't like to be without my husband, y'all. This is him not gonna wake up next to him in the morning. I'm not gonna cry though. I don't feel as empty as I usually do, because usually I feel empty when Sean is going. So this time I know at least like he will be back for sure, no denying that. But yeah, Sean has some business to take care of, so he has to go, because I didn't even tell you guys like, oh, how come Sean is going? But yeah, and as you know, ShéKayla has school as we're in January. Perhaps if it was another time, then all four of us gonna jump on the flight and just head to Florida. But unfortunately, school, and she can't miss school, a couple weeks of school or whatever. It's just not, we can't do that, so we're not gonna be on that flight, sadly. So yeah, just wanted to come and give you guys a bit of update as to what's going on. So the next time you guys see us, we're gonna be saying our goodbyes or see you laters to each other. So I'll catch you guys back at the airport. All right, people, we are here at the airport, here at drop off airport. The terminal is just there, so Sean is going now. I'm not gonna cry, but Sean, I'm gonna miss you so much. I love you.
I love you too.
I have a cold, but I'm still giving you a kiss. Baby, tell daddy bye-bye.
What's up? They're cheap there.
Tell daddy bye. Look at River. You don't even know daddy's leaving, huh?
Right? Later, ShéKayla. Oh, it's cold.
Oh.
See you later.
Love you, baby.
Love you too.
Have a safe flight. Call me,
yes.
call me as soon as you're all checked in and stuff, and just let me know. Safe and stuff. And, yeah. Got your phone? Everything, yeah? Alright, bye. He's off, guys. I know he's coming back, but you know, still sucks that he's like going. Yeah. Alright, folks, I'm leaving the airport now, so I'll probably just catch you guys when I am back at my house. And by the way, I have to pay for parking online. ShéKayla, you need to can you WhatsApp me that, please? Okay. Remind me to pay for the parking, because it says by midnight tomorrow or something like that, so I have to do it online. So I guess I guess it probably captured my number plate or whatever, and I have to pay for that £5 whatever. So it's no longer free to drop off passengers at Heathrow.
£5 for less than 2 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. Everyone has to pay, which sucks. So I'll see you guys at home, y'all. All right. Hey guys. Yeah, so back at home now. Come here. Because last time they said I didn't see you in the vlog. They're like, where's Kayla? So she's here. Rivi, say hi to the people. Come. Okay, come in. No. Hold on. Hey, don't be naughty to the people. You showing everybody you're being naughty. Say hello.
Show them what he does when he's sitting in the kitchen.
Yeah, so we're back home now. Sean says he's just about to board actually. So yeah. You're happy to see that? River is always excited to see this thing on the fridge. It has his name on it. It's been there. Look. You see it? It has his name on it, child. It's been there forever. It can't even rub off now because we put baby Henry will be called River. And then we put the date that we named him that and stuff, and we just never cleared it. Look. Are you happy? Is that your name? That's your name. It says River. Yeah. That's your name. Oh, come have a seat on the counter. Oh, Riv, I didn't say to touch stuff. I just said have a seat. The house just, it feels weird. I told ShéKayla, I was like, oh, it's gonna be such a quiet night. You know, not having Sean here, but, you know, it's okay. Right, Riv? Yeah. Sean does what? Sean watches all the vlogs. You know, Sean, you see, we miss you already, Shawnee. It is what it is. Hopefully he has a safe flight. He's gonna call me back soon. He's not on the plane yet, but I think they're about to start boarding actually. Yeah, because I spoke to him not long ago and I decided let me just come and just update y'all. You know, now that we're back home. ShéKayla's having dinner because she didn't have any dinner before we left. So, and outside is so dark. So it's after 5. What's the time, ShéKayla? 6:04. 6:04. I think his flight is at the flight leaves at 6:50, so they're gonna start boarding soon. Yeah. What are you looking at? The light switch? Everything gets your attention, huh? Yeah. I'm gonna go feed River now and change. Your nappy needs changing now, huh? So let's change you first and then we can feed you. River, where are you climbing? Where are you going, sir? There's no tears, as you can see. There's no tears, and River is steady trying to climb up on me. Riv, I feel like River gonna be a little bad boy, you know. You gonna be a bad boy? You're not gonna give me any trouble, are you, Riv? Will he give me trouble? Because they say when they're sweet, when they're young, you know, but I could see little things coming out in River, like he's gonna be busy. Huh? Say hi to the people. That's what he's looking at. You want to turn off the light? If you turn off the light, the people won't see us. Anyways, I'm gonna go and change him now, y'all, and stuff, and I'll just check back in with you guys tomorrow, I suppose. Say bye, guys. Stop trying to look at the light switch because you're not turning off the light. All right, people, bye. Thank you so much for watching.